What if you could travel through time? It's a question that has been asked by people for centuries and may never be answered. But what if it were possible? These are questions that have been debated by philosophers and scientists for centuries. But what if the answer is closer than we think? In this video, we'll explore some of the possibilities of time travel and how it could change our world. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So, what if you could travel time? There's always been a curious appeal surrounding the idea of time travel, and it is no wonder why so many writers have been drawn to explore this fantastical concept. However, while this fascination with time travel is understandable, it often seems to overlook one very important fact: that the Earth is constantly moving through space. This presents a number of problems for anyone who wishes to travel through time, as simply being on the surface of the planet at any given moment involves traveling at tremendous speeds. For example, if you could jump ahead just a second into the future from your current location on Earth, you would end up 40 meters away from where you began. That would certainly be an embarrassing way to start your journey through time. Additionally, there are other more serious implications of traveling through space at such high speeds, namely the potential for severe injury or even death due to sudden changes in velocity or impulsive forces. Modern research and theory of relativity. There is a common misconception that time travel is impossible, or that a special substance or form of matter is required in order to accomplish it. But recent scientific research has shown that the true key to time travel lies not in some futuristic material, but rather in Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this theory, the faster one travels through space, the slower one travels through time. Let's say, for example, that you are traveling in a spaceship at 99.9% the speed of light towards an exoplanet that was 40 light years away, a relatively close distance by cosmic standards. With such exceptional speed, you would arrive at this planet in what felt like just 2 years from your perspective. But from the perspective of those back on Earth, almost 40 years had passed. This phenomenon is known as a time dilation, and it represents one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the validity of Einstein's theory. Time dilation, a closer perspective. One of the most fascinating and elusive phenomena in the world of physics is time dilation. This strange occurrence essentially causes time to slow down for objects that travel at high speeds. While this effect is not likely to happen to you directly, as we currently do not possess the technology needed to attain speeds comparable to those necessary for time dilation, it remains a fascinating concept that has helped shape our understanding of the nature of space and time. At speeds nearing 299 million meters per second, which is faster than the speed of light, objects would be subject to centripetal force far stronger than anything we could produce with current technology. These tremendous forces would tear apart anything moving at such incredible speeds, making it impossible for humans or any living organism to achieve these superliminal velocities. Thus, it appears that time dilation may remain an intriguing phenomenon that only exists in theory rather than practical application. Nevertheless, its significance in our understanding of space-time cannot be overstated and continues to serve as a fascinating illustration of just how strange and surprising the universe can be. Traveling time with wormholes? Despite being purely theoretical, wormholes have long captured the imagination of scientists and storytellers alike. Described by Einstein as a shortcut to another universe, these mysterious tunnels have been the subject of countless sci-fi novels and movies. The notion that they could provide a means for traveling through time has only added to their allure and mystique. Unfortunately, wormholes are also notoriously difficult to detect due to largely their extremely small size. Measuring just a billion trillion trillionths of a centimeter in diameter, they are far too tiny for even the most advanced scientific instruments to observe directly. As one researcher famously put it, you would need the thickness of several human hairs just to make them visible. Still, many leading scientists believe that wormholes do exist, perhaps scattered all around us in our universe or others. Indeed, even renowned physicist Stephen Hawking saw the potential benefit of studying these enigmatic phenomena, stating that they offer the opportunity of going into hyperspace so we can visit different universes. So while wormholes still remain shrouded in mystery and may be fundamentally impossible to capture or enlarge, their tantalizing promise continues to inspire scientists and thinkers alike. So, if we truly want to be able to travel through time, it seems that we must first look beyond exotic matter and advanced technology, and instead gaze skyward at the stars. Only then will we be able to unlock the secrets of true time travel. We hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-boggling videos.